let's get this open and see what's inside. I know you're thinking it looks like an empty box, but what we have here is a new hive body from Pagmr Bee Products, and I'm very excited to be sharing this with you today. Let's get it out of the box and take a look at it. Look at that. Very nice. Put my logo on it. Check out the other side. They got their logo on it. Very nice, I like it. So you might be asking yourself, what's so special about this box besides having the logos on each end? Well, to be honest with you, I don't think anybody could answer that question any better than Pagmr Bee Products themselves. And they put together a nice little video explaining all the new details in this box. And I'm gonna link it up here in the corner, somewhere here on the screen. Just go around the whole edge until something pops up, and that's where you'll find it. And matter of fact, I already watched the video this morning. I think I've watched it 4 times now. I know a lot of the details, but to explain it as well as they do, I'm not even going to try. So I'll let them break it down for you, but I'm very excited to put this into use for next season and see how it all works out. So thanks a lot, Pagmr. You will be seeing this box in the future.